Go, let's push. Ready, Jim?
Hey everybody, MagFed Stretch here, coming to you from MFOG 71 at Camp Pendleton in Oceanside, California. This was part of the Violence of Action series that ODSC has been putting on for us, so we have 4 teams. Playing with an FSC today, Buddy
I got
gave
a
me.
headshot on the corner. I don't see
Having
them
some
pushing up
issues
any
with my
further. They're not
diagram,
really
so I wasn't
looking.
able to use it, but you know, the community's cool. MagFed love, keeping me in the game. I'm not gonna edit this one. I'm just gonna let it play straight through. It was a really fun game. Learning a little bit about the marker I was using, but overall having a great time. Anyways, enjoy the video, guys.
I don't
Stretch
see
out.
anything. Where'd you get hit?
Let him out.
I was going for this guy.
Come over behind me. How'd that go?
Let him out. Check it. Damn. I saw him, dude. And I was
So
like,
fucking
shit.
lucky, Tom.
I know.
Max fell out.
I was actually running.
That's the second time that's happened to somebody today. Their mag fell out.
And then I see him.
You're so fucking lucky.
This was my last game. Undefeated. You're with that. You're with that. I only have one good game. I fucking get off. Hey guys, got 5 minutes! 5 minutes!
Another one.
Sore after. I hate getting shot with that.
So as you can see, I'm dealing with a few jams, misfires, whatever you want to call them. Luckily, my buddy Angel also had a jam, misfire, whatever. So we called ourselves out. Worked out great.
I was like, I don't know what to do.
The FSC, amazing, amazing pistol. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Stretch out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks, man.